Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create automatic date and time on Wix. Let's get started. So for this one, let's first add some text that says automatic date and time as well as the preview or container of our current date and time. So let's click on this add elements right here. And then this will open this text bar right here. So let's just put in a title. So let's put a title right here. And for the title, let's put in something like automatic date and time. Now, once we have done that, let's add a new text that will that will put in the date. So let's put in this small running title, and then let's put in here right here. And then from in there, let's put this as date. And then let's put in another one that will say time. Let's put in time right here. Now, once we have done these things, the next thing we need to do is to make sure that dev mode is turned on. So let's turn on the developer mode. And then let's click on that. And then in here, it will open this console. So let's actually close this one for now. And then for this, let's locate our actual dev mode. So here's our date and time. Under this is everything. So in here, let's just remove everything on our code and let's put in a new code that I will provide later on. Now under this date right here, we have here called text19. So let's name it current date. And then under that is the current time. So let's click on this one and let's name it current time. And then in here, let's make sure to see a preview of it. And let's click on this one. And then this will show us a preview of what our website will look like. So we just wait for that to finish the preview. And as you can see right here, let's minimize this first. It will show at the automatic date and time right now, February 20, and actually the time as well. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add automatic date and time. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a link below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.